Hey, you culinary cats and kittens, Chef Eric Villegas here, and welcome to Sous Vide Fresh Bites. Today's recipe, I'm going to offer you a master recipe for fresh ricotta. I can't wait. Let's get cooking. Ricotta cheese. Cooking cheese in the sous vide technique is amazing. You have such unprecedented control over temperature, and that's all cheese is really good milk and controlling temperatures. So I've got homogenized pasteurized milk, 4 cups. I'm going to go ahead and add 5 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Any vinegar is going to work that's 5% acidity. That's what we want to really grab those proteins. A little bit of salt, not a lot, just a little dusting. And then 4 more cups. So we would have a total of 8 cups or half a gallon of whole milk in the bag, along with the salt and the distilled white vinegar. And you can add lemon later for that flavor. So we've got everything in the bag, and I'm using the bag filler. This makes it super simple to do. And all we have to do now is seal it. You take the opening of the bag and lay it right across the heat bar, the seal bar rather. And then with my finger, I like to run it straight across the bag on top of the bar to make sure that there are no kinks, so I'm assured of getting a good seal. I'm gonna drop the top, engage the machine. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. And as I look inside, the bag is starting to expand, the milk is starting to come up, it's starting to get up there, and that's about where I want to be. And we're mixing everything up, and now all we need to do is drop and cook. It's crazy simple. So the beauty, again, of making this ridiculously simple ricotta cheese is the sous vide technique, the control over temperature. If you're trying to do this at home, you really have to be stirring the milk. You have to be cognizant of keeping a temperature range. You don't have to keep a temperature range, you just pick the temperature. So I have the SV10 set for 88 degrees Celsius, and I've got my bag. Again, it's just milk, distilled white vinegar, and salt. Drop it in for 1 hour, 45 minutes to an hour, and during that process you're going to see the curds separate from the whey, and it's really truly amazing, and it's amazingly simple. So it's been about an hour, 88 Celsius, and check this out. I absolutely love this recipe because it's rock solid and it's so simple, and you can see right here this almost, I don't know what color this is, yellow. This is the whey, and those white cumulus clouds at the top, those are the curds. That is the ricotta. We're just gonna go ahead and gently pour it directly through the chinois. You can see all that beautiful whey coming through and assorted chunks of curds. An hour at room temperature as the cheese cools will give you a standard, nice, moist ricotta. But you can let it drain for hours, overnight. Do you like it smooth and creamy and a little bit moist? Then just a couple hours. Do you want it really dense and really rich? Maybe do it overnight. It's up to you. How do you like your ricotta? So there you have it, yet another Sous Vide Fresh Bites. If you enjoy what you saw and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and let's chat. So until next time, see ya!